Hello everyone and welcome back to another video. If you have been wondering how can you switch back to a personal account after switching to a professional account on Instagram, you came to the right video. In this video guys, I'll show you exactly how to do that in a very easy and clear method as well. So let's jump right into it. Now since we're going to be using the Instagram app for this process, of course, let's get something out of the way first. Open your Play Store or App Store, depends on what device you're using, and simply search for Instagram. Find it to make sure we have the app updated to the latest version for everything to work properly in this process. After that, you can quit the store, of course. Now open Instagram. From here, we start by opening your profile. Tap on your profile picture in the bottom right corner of the screen right here. And as you can see here guys, I'm on a professional account and I have the professional dashboard and all that. To switch back to personal, tap on the three lines in the top right corner. Because we need to open settings, tap on settings and privacy at the top of this menu. And from here, if you are in a professional mode, you find this new category that is for professionals. Right under it, tap on creator tools and controls. And from these options, you find this one that is switch account type. Tap on it. And in the bottom right here, tap on switch to personal account. And then you get this window in the middle of the screen. Tap on switch to personal account to confirm your choice. Wait for a couple of seconds. And voila, you are back to a personal account just like that guys. But beware, but sometimes when you switch back to personal, your account will remain public. If you want it to be private, just make sure it is still private right here. It doesn't always stay private, so of course make sure you check that out before you continue in the app. And that's basically how can you switch back to a personal account from a professional one. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, please like and leave your questions and comments in the comments section. I'll try to answer every single one of them. And of course, subscribe to the channel for future videos like this one. Thank you very much for watching and see you in future videos, guys.